Hello everyone, I am Harris Vimal from Christ the King Engineering College, final year Triple E. Today we are going to know about the topic of slip power recovery system. This system is mainly used for speed control of slip ring induction motor. The speed of the slip ring induction motor can be controlled either by varying the stator voltage or by controlling the power flow. The air gap flux of the machine is established by the stator supply and it remains the practically constant of stator impedance drops. The supply voltage fluctuations are neglected. The efficiency is also reduced. The slip power from the rotor circuit can be recovered and feedback to the AC sources. So, as to utilize its outside the motor, thus the overall efficiency of the drive system can be increased. The basic principle of slip power recovery is connected to an external source of EMF of the slip. The slip energy recovery method provides the speed control of slip ring induction motor. Below its synchronous speed, a portion of a rotor AC power is converted into DC by diode bridge. The smoothing reactor is provided to smoothen the rectified current. The output of the rectifier is then connected to DC terminals of an inverter. This method of speed control is used in large power applications where the variations of speed over a wide range involves a large amount of slip power. The power absorbed by the source via the magnitude and the sign of PR can be controlled by controlling the magnitude and pace. A positive PR will be reduced PM and therefore motor will run at the lower speed of the same torque. When PR made it equal to, then PM and consequently speed will be 0. Thus variations of PR and from 0 to PG will allow to speed control from synchronous to 0 speed. When rotor copper loss is neglected, PR is equal to slip power recovery scheme of an induction motor. Speed control below synchronous speed is obtained by controlling the slip power. The same approach was adopted in rotor resistance control. However, instead of wasting power in external resistor, it is usually employed here. Therefore, these methods of speed control are classified as slip power recovery scheme used in the induction motor of recovery scheme. It provides the speed control of one rotor motor below synchronous speed. A portion of rotor AC power is converted into DC by diode bridge. The control rectifier working as an inverter, it's back to the AC and feedback to the AC source. Power feedback can be controlled by controlling inverter converter EMF, which in turn is controlled by controlling the inverter phase angle. The DC link inductor is provided to reduce and ripple in DC link. Since slip power recovery scheme used in induction motor is feedback to the source, unlike rotor resistance control where it is measured in resistor. Drive input power is the difference between motor input and power feedback. Reactive input power is the sum of motor and inverter reactive powers. Therefore, driver has a poor power factor throughout the range of its operations, where alpha is an inverter faint angle and N and M are the respectively to the stator. And the source side of the converter side turned into the ratio of the transformer neglected dropped across inductor. The formula is VD1 plus VD2 is equal to 0. Such as a diagram, maximum value of alpha is restricted to 165 degree for safe commutation of inverter thyristor. Transformer is used to match the voltage VD1 and VD2. At the lowest speed required from the drive, VD1 will have maximum value, such as a switch of ensures inverted operation at the highest range angle, the lowest motor speed given to the highest power factor, and the lowest reactive power the lowest speed. This improves the drive power factor and reduces reactive power at all speed in the speed range of drive. In the diagram, the driver has application in the fan and the pump drives, which requires the speed control in narrow range angle. If maximum slip is denoted by S max, then power rating of the diode bridge inverter and transformer can be just adjusted by n number of times. Drive is started by resistance control with S1 closed and S2 open. When the speed reaches with control range from the drive, S2 is closed to connect diode bridge and inverter is activated. Now S1 is open to remove the resistance. This drive is widely used in the medium and high power around 10 megawatts, where is the value of slip at the lowest speed if alpha is restricted to 165 degree is chosen such the inverter voltage has value DM1 when alpha is 165. For example, V by M cos 165 degree plus Vs max by N. M is equal to minus N cos 165 degree, S max is equal to 0.966 value N by S max. Thus, the slip power recovery scheme used in induction motor is explained. Thank you.